Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Welcome back, students. Today we will learn opposite phrasal verbs.
Get on.
Get on.
Get off.
Get off.
Turn on.
Turn on.
Turn off.
Turn off.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Pick down.
Pick down.
Take in.
Take in.
Take out.
Take out.
Come in.
Come in.
Come out.
Come out.
Bring up.
Bring up.
Bring down.
Bring down.
Build up.
Build up.
Tear down.
Tear down.
Get together.
Get together.
Break up.
Break up.
Turn up.
Turn up.
Turn down.
Turn down.
Step forward.
Step forward.
Step back.
Step back.
Look up.
Look up.
Look down.
Look down.
Open up.
Open up.
Close up.
Close up.
Speed up.
Speed up.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Get up.
Get up.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn away.
Turn away.
Read up.
Read up.
Read out.
Read out.
Run up.
Run up.
Run down.
Run down.
Send out.
Send out.
Send in.
Send in.
Step up.
Step up.
Step down.
Step down.
Go away.
Go away.
Come back.
Come back.
Check in.
Check in.
Check out.
Check out.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Speak up.
Speak up.
Take off.
Take off.
Touch down.
Touch down.
Put on.
Put on.
Take off.
Take off.
Quarrel out.
Quarrel out.
Agree with.
Agree with.
Be good at.
Be good at.
Be bad at.
Be bad at.
Put together.
Put together.
Take apart.
Take apart.
Mess up.
Mess up.
Tidy up.
Tidy up.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Hang up.
Hang up.
Jump up.
Jump up.
Jump down.
Jump down.
Keep up.
Keep up.
Keep down.
Keep down.
Walk in.
Walk in.
Walk out.
Walk out.
Catch up.
Catch up.
Catch down.
Catch down.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Let go.
Let go.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.